Hi everybody, it's Peg, and today on Art Joy is Sharing with Shell C, which is a YouTube channel where we do a live show each Thursday, 10:30 Central Standard Time. Come and join us. We were doing building blocks. So I have two cameras going. This kind of looks like it's off on the edge, and I'm sorry for that, but um, this was before the show started, and I was chitty-chatting and just starting to figure out where my cameras were because I've rearranged my whole studio once again. But this is what I'm talking about, building blocks. I have a block here, which is it could be a gesso board, it could be a clay board, it could be any of those types of surfaces that you find. These happen to be ones from Ampersand. And I'll try to remember to, yeah, I do have links below for Amazon. So if you're looking for any of that kind of stuff, go to my store because I have them broken out by category on my store for shopping for your ease. And let's see, I am just getting set up here. Going to go to the live show here pretty quickly. So I've just begun gathering things together for the show. I'm going to work on multiple panels because, you know, paint takes a little while to dry, and I have several ideas. Not sure which direction I'm going to go today. But, you know, some people like abstract geometric, some people like animals, some people like faces. So I thought I'd do a little bit of each just to show them how you can build your project on one of these boards. So just going to start with this face stencil. This is a stencil from Stencil Girl Products, and I'm going to use a pencil from Jerry's Artorama. These are artist products. They're called Jumbo Jet Black pencils. And I picked these up when I was in North Carolina at Jerry's, and I got them in several colors, and I like them. So I'm using them just to get the stencil image down on my clay board, and then I will move those around. I'm going to use some Deco Art Media Fluid acrylic paints. And the colors that I'm using today are primary cyan, a green gold, a raw sienna, a, what is this one? Quinacridone gold, and a cobalt teal hue, along with titanium buff. So I'd picked up these Chinese inks, and I wanted to try them because they have both black and another color in them. One is gold and one is silver. And because I want to work with, on this particular tile, I want to work with a koi stencil from Gwen LaFleur. Now this also is a little stencil that I picked up from Stencil Girl. You know, I have a lot of stencils from Stencil Girl just because I'm on their design team along with Shell. So I'm using that to texturize and yeah, keep working here. Okay, so now I've got another board out while those paints are drying. And this is the one with the face image on it. This is a Pam Carricker and Mary Beth Shaw stencil. It's one that they collaborated on. So if you're interested in what we do in the weekly show, come and check out Art Joy is Sharing. We do save it to the channel once the live stream is done, but at 10:30 you can join in the live chat, and that would be a lot of fun to talk with you there too. So that's it. Bye for now.